So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I am going to do a empty bottle haul. So ito yung aking one of my signature favorite videos na ginagawa even when I'm still in Kuwait. And I am sorry guys kung medyo ngarag and stress ang lola nyo kasi I just came from work and medyo kinondisyon ko muna yung sarili ko to do this vlog. And as you can see, ayan, lumalabas yung aking pimples. I don't know the reasons why. Reasons talaga kasi I'm using, again, my Clarisonic Nia 2 facial cleanser. Sumisegue lang muna ako. And second, I am stressed. And then third, I have my ongoing period pero medyo ano pa siya, mahina. So, wag na nating patagalin to. This is not a sponsored video. Gusto ko lang i-share yung mga naipon kong bottles from, I think this is June until November. So, today is November 26. I don't know when will I upload this vlog kasi ang last upload ko was 4 weeks ago. So, it is 1 month to be exact. And, syempre, medyo I still have my mental anxiety and some relationship. Isa lang naman yung problem ko. Anyways, I'm happy that I'm back vlogging and then my sanity is still intact. So, back to our topic. Ito na, haul na tayo. So, I'll pick up randomly na lang. Medyo medyo inaamag na ba. So, I don't know, sa CR ko ganito, nagkakaroon ng puti-puti. So, first is the Watson's Natural Argan Hair Mask. So, tinry ko lang siya kasi nag-sale siya. So, kaya nagamit ko siya. Well, so far okay naman. Even yung nila, yung conditioner. Yan. So, this is Naturals by Watson's. It's an argan mask. And my all-time favorite, I'll do a separate vlog from, yung mga products ni Avon kasi okay naman siya. This is one of my favorite body lotion. The Skin So Soft Avon Radiance Plus SPF 15. So, this is my daytime lotion guys. So merong aeroplano post ko muna. So moving on is the Hask Purple Toning Care Conditioner. Ayan, kasi maka-conditioner ako guys, kaya mas gusto ko yung conditioner. So ayan, this is Hask and dahil nga may color yung hair ko, but now yung color nito is nasa loob. This is Peekaboo hair inspired. Yung nasa loob yung yung color. So, yan. This is worth, I think, 699 if I'm not mistaken. This is available in Watson's, yan, guys. So, it doesn't have, it's, has clean beauty, hair care. So, it has elderberry oil and vitamin C. So, ang ganda niya, guys. Then, second one is itong Watson's Hair Removal Cream. I think, hindi ko ganong nagamit or naubos or pinilit ko lang maubos siya. Buy one get one to, but I'm sorry to tell, I have to be honest, it's not worth it to buy kasi kahit tinagalan ko yung pagbabad dun sa paa ko ng cream, hindi ganong natanggal yung hair. Ayan. So, another one is itong Sininuko Colonia. Ayan, favorite ko yan. Ang bango nito guys. And then, si Rosmar Whitening Feminine Wash. Ayan. Yan siya. Tinry ko lang naman siya kasi nag-sale siya. But it is not advisable to use whitening or ayun, mga whitening feminine wash. Kasi there's nothing whitening feminine wash naman. And then, tiki ng shampoo from Hask again. Ayan. Bumili tayo kasi nalalagas na yung ating buhok because of the stress. Ayan siya guys. Tiki ng shampoo. Ang bango niya guys, and it's so so soft sa sa hair. And to, soften Personal care. Ayan. Personal care feminine wash. Okay naman siya so far. And then, another one from Avon. Ultra Radiance with Glutathione. So, ito yung Christmas packaging nila. It was, kaubos ko lang yata. Ewan ko kung kailan ko naubos. Pero but it was last year pa. But syempre, ngayong taon lang siya naubos. And then, this is my night lotion. It has glutathione. Yung isa, yung pinakita ko, it has SPF 15. So, that is from daytime. And then, Colgate White, Colgate Optic White mouthwash. Ayan, may aeroplano uli. So, malayo na yung aeroplano. Moving on. Yan, mga alcohol kong ginagamit. Si Watson's usually kasi may employee discount ako ng 10%. And St. Ives Blockhead Clearing, ano to, scrub. Yan. Ano pa ba? Itong Hada Labo Premium Facial Wash. Sabi ko gagawin ko ng review pero I'll try to make a separate review. And then, alam niyo naman ako maka-body wash. It's Ferrero Rocher. Yves Rocher. Yan. Yves Rocher. I don't know how to pronounce this. Made in France. Nag-sale kasi yan. So, usually binibili ko yan sa Lazada. So, moving on again. My favorite, Coco Berry wash. Ayan. Maka-body wash kasi ang lola nyo. Kaya, more on body wash ako. Natutunan ko yan sa Fleet. And then, one of my favorite toner, yung lime, ano nila? Yung Clear and Glow from Avon. So, magta-try akong gumawa ng, ng vlog. So, ito nga, yung, hindi ko naubos to. Yung pinakita ko kanina, nag-buy one, get one. Watson's Hair Removal Cream. It's not worth it to buy. So, I think that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Yun yung naipon na, na mga botelya, empty bottles. Yung iba tinapon ko na. Yung iba I keep because I'll make a separate review, especially sa mga Avon products na personal kong ginagamit. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys!